101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. As a usually, we have a special, of course, meeting with exclusive meeting club in Makassar. Yeah, namely BPEC. Hi. Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
Wow, it's great.
Yeah, as every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program with BPEC talking about everything, anything, in special topic, of course. And tonight, of course, we have a special topic for smart listeners at home. Yeah, you waiting for me? Okay, some peoples in the world have a highest curiosity, especially for scientific or scientists. They put curiosity or highest level to looking find something like discovery, and they was very curious about past time, about future times, and a civilization. Of course, we also have a high exploration and curiosity. Like them, like scientists. Of course, our topic tonight is time machine. In Bahasa, we call mesin waktu. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, ready.
Yeah, before we talking about our topic tonight, maybe you can introduce one by one yourself to a smart listener at home. Please, from you, start.
Hi, my name is Nurul Fatana Musni. You can call me Fatana. This is my second time to go here.
Hi, Fatana.
Nice to be here.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Okay, hi everyone. So my name is Firdayanti Amalia. You can call me Firda. I'm students from Muhammadiyah University. Okay, hi.
Firda. Next, the new one.
Hey, hello. My name is Ais Makfira Maulani. You can call me Ais. I'm studying in Muhammadiyah Makassar, Muhammadiyah Makassar.
How can we call you?
Ais.
Okay,
Yeah.
hi Ais, welcome. Okay, our topic tonight is time machine, of course, right? Okay, I start from maybe Ais. What do you think about this topic? Yes, okay, you may start.
In my opinion, time machine is something that cannot be repeat or return to the past because time is running and cannot be back.
Just using your own words, like you explore your idea, because this topic is very interesting, right? Time machine, it consists of two words, right? In bahasa mesin dan waktu. So maybe you have read about this article on the internet. What do you think about it? Do you want to keep your idea? Okay, you may keep. I'm next.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think about this topic?
Okay,
tonight?
thank you for the opportunity. So maybe this is the tonight topic is the interesting thing that that is about time machine. So yeah, based on my understanding, time machine is like maybe we also know from Doraemon,
Yeah,
right? Yeah,
exactly.
So it's about maybe we can talk about the past and in the future.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's all for
We
me.
try to imagine,
Yeah,
right?
we try to imagine in the past and also in the future.
What do you think about this topic, Fatana?
It's one of the interesting topic for today because I just can imagine when I using time machine, I can go where go to future or past. Go maybe I can go the time before I born.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if I
Oh my
if
God.
I can, if I use time machine, maybe I can go to the kingdom,
Yeah.
the kingdom
Era,
era,
yeah.
or the dinosaurs era. I
Wow.
can go there if I
Oh my
use
God.
it. So I think it's interesting one topic.
Do
for
you like
today.
history, right?
Yes. of
What
course.
kind of history do you like?
I think for tonight, I will say the story that I like. Maybe the
Kingdom era.
Kingdom, yes, yeah, like Prasasti.
Ah.
Oh yeah, like Queen and King.
Mhm,
The story about like that.
Kingdom era.
Yes.
So, if you put yourself there, do you want?
Yeah, maybe. Why not?
What do you want to looking for there?
I just wanna looking for how to king
Mhm.
protect her people
Yep.
and how to people protect their king to be like a president with the other people in Indonesia right here in this era, but the kingdom era is maybe different.
Ah, yeah.
Different.
Absolutely
Yes.
different. You're gonna crazy because no social media.
I think yeah, thinking about that, but I can't live without social media.
Okay, thank you. Okay, I move to Firdam. Do you like history?
Some no in all of history, but I like the history of the kingdom, like king and queen, and also I want to, maybe if I can move in the past, I want to see the how to say perjuangan from the our pahlawan in Indonesia, maybe because as we know that the history in Indonesia is really interesting.
Right,
It's really
right.
like, oh my God, it's really should have a struggle, big struggle to
Right.
memperjuangkan kemerdekaan Indonesia.
Right.
So if I can go to the past, maybe I want to live in the at the time. Yeah.
Yeah. What kind of what most kingdom you like to? I mean, flashback, or maybe you put yourself there.
Okay, because I'm in from Ternate, so in Ternate have a lot of kingdom. Like in my city, Kesultanan Ternate, they have maybe we have like sultan, a lot of sultan, and then I think that if they maybe in the past. In Indonesia maybe, or perjuangan Indonesia pada saat kerajaan memperjuangkan kemerdekaan Indonesia, a lot of in Europa, they come in Indonesia.
Right.
Yes, they come in Ternate, and then they want to get the rompa-rompa from Ternate. So it's really interesting for
to explore the past time. What looks like of your kingdom era,
yes,
especially for Ternate kingdom,
my city,
yeah, one of greatest kingdom in it was era, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. I'm gonna move to you, Annie. Ice. Sorry.
Yes.
Okay, you may start. Come on. Okay. Do you like history in the past time?
Yes, I'm like.
What was like? Maybe you like kingdom era or revolution, independence era, or prehistoric, maybe like a dinosaur. What kind of history do you like?
Kurang lebih
About prehistoric dinosaur.
dia seperti dinosaurus.
Wow, it's great.
Yes.
Come on.
Yes.
So you wanna put yourself there if you can turn on the time, like a time machine, to be there in dinosaur era? Yes or not? just answering yes or not. It's simple.
Yes.
Why? It's gonna be crazy. Suddenly the dinosaur run to you and catch you and eat you. Oh my God.
Yes. Interesting.
Yeah. Okay, just go with the flow, just answering by the simple way.
Yes, interesting. It means Um,
Maybe you can do not hesitate to sing in bahasa, just mixing Indonesian and English when you have obstacle to express your idea by complete. Come on, Ice. Because we are on YouTube. Do not bisik-bisik tetangga. Yeah. But anyway, overall you like history, right? Maybe like prehistoric and especially for dinosaur, right? Era. Okay, keep your statement. I'm gonna move to Wahid. Hi Wahid.
Hi Kak.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah. Okay Kak, it's get you well.
Alhamdulillah, yeah.
Yes Kak.
Okay, did you know our topic tonight?
Time machine is it?
Okay. What do you think about this topic tonight?
Time machine. Yeah, I know. We know about time machine. When we create like the time machine, go to the past.
Yeah.
Like repair what we get the mistake or do what we want to do in the past. But actually, actually in our like our situation today until the end of era, I know we cannot make like time machine or go to past. We know we got like the mistake, but we can repair it in our era.
Okay.
Our
Do you like
current-
history?
Yeah.
What kind of history do you like? Maybe era kingdom or revolution era, or maybe prehistoric, or what kind of like you like?
I like about what our country like.
Maybe prophet history.
Oh yeah,
something like that.
prophet history is the best.
I
It's the
guess it.
history in
I
our-
guess it. Why you like prophet history?
Yeah, we know about prophet history is the best one best in the world. Yeah, we know before we know like prophet like Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yeah, we know our world is darkness, but when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam arrived in the world, he like make the better world, better future with their accordance like that.
If you put yourself there, what kind of a prophet era you want to put yourself? Maybe in Adam era, or maybe Muhammad or Daud or Sulaiman, or what else? Which one? You just one.
Yeah, just one. We know the most topic what our prophet is arrive in war is like repair our akida, our tawfiq, our tawhid.
I mean, if you put yourself there in the past time, if you gonna be enter in the past time, you want to live in what era? In Muhammad prophet maybe era, or Adam or David or Daud, Solomon or Sulaiman or Ibrahim or Abraham, or what else? Which one?
Yeah,
Just
I
put-
want
just-
go
just
to
one.
the name Muhammad.
Oh, Muhammad
era,
sallallahu alaihi
yeah.
wasallam. Why?
We know our prophet is the last Nabi and Rasul. Yeah, he is the best prophet, the prophet. Yeah, I want to like strategy to him and his accordance.
Okay, keep your statement. We will be right back after the commercial break.